Slides away from the pressure. Osai was coming after him, and he goes to the other receiver they picked up in the offseason by way of free agency. 1st and 10, now looking long. Down the field it goes, and it's right back to Valdes-Scantling and a completion.
And that's one of their two really deep route guys that...
Mahomes standing in the pocket, over to Valdes-Scantling with a blocker out in front, and Kelsey out in front blocking too. Well, they're coming. There's the pass. Valdes-Scantling reaches his hand out, but they're going to mark him about a half-yard. On the run to the end zone. It's caught on his back. Valdes-Scantling.
Anyone I can remember in 1992 when Michael Jordan played in the NBA Finals and they said Drexler was possibly as good as Jordan.
Tim in motion. Here's 3rd and 8. Can he keep it moving? Here's the throw on the run. And yes, he does. Valdes-Scantling's over 100 now for the game.